Hi everyone and welcome to Selmond. My name is Sarah and today I'm making this quick and easy fall Dollar Tree jar and bottle set. I love the shape and color of both of these and the jar has already been a big hit, or at least the candy that used to be in it was. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button below. If you know anyone that would like this video or my channel, please share this link because every view and every subscriber helps enable me to keep creating videos for you. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I share all my latest projects as well as some of the things we have going on in our life. I've also started a Facebook group for anyone out there who enjoys crafting and would like to share their projects with others. I would love to see anything you've made. You can find links for both in the description below.
What I'm going to do with these is fairly simple. I'm going to wrap some twine around them and then I'm just going to embellish them with some leaves. Right now I'm just going to take a couple of these coppery gold leaves and I'm just going to adhere them to the top where I put this little dot of hot glue that is holding down our twine. And I'm going to put these down just so they don't stick up too much over the top of the jar, so it'll be easy to screw it and unscrew it. There we go. And that jar is pretty much done. It's ready to be filled with some candy corn. Now for the bottle, now that I have the twine tied off and hanging down, I'm going to use a couple of these red and green metallic leaves and I'm just going to attach them up here to the top of the bottle as well, leaving the twine to dangle down. And I think I'm going to add just a dab of hot glue here to kind of hold the twine so it hangs a little more straight down and not off to the side so far. Alright, and then let's go ahead and attach our leaves. Right, and I've just attached them both so the top of the knot is showing through right at the top where the leaves come together. Alright, there we go. Now for this one, I feel like it needs just a bit more twine. You really can't see it from the front and the leaves are pretty plain looking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of the twine and bring it around to the front. Alright, and then I'm just going to work it around over the leaves and I'm going to tie it off in a knot as well. It'll just give the impression that the twine is holding the leaves on. Right, there we go. And I'm just going to add a dab of hot glue to kind of hold that down in place. Okay, there we go. I like that a lot better. It just adds a little bit of something to the front of the jar. The last thing I'm going to do with my bottle is I'm going to go ahead and add some lights. And I have here this string of these mini LED lights that I'm going to put down in the bottle. But these, and I do sell these in my shop at Selmon.com. They are out of stock now. That shop should be open by the 1st of October. And I'm going to take this and it will act as a cork in the bottle. But here on the back, you can just turn them on and off via the cork. There's no battery pack visible. There's no cords coming out of it, and I really love these. Right, and I'm just shoving these down into the bottle. Just going to try to work to get these down in so that more of the lights are at the bottom here. So you do have to work with them a little bit, but they do go down into the bottle and they will light up quite nicely. See? Look at that. Isn't that great? Go ahead and turn the light down for you. We go, and again, it's just on and off with this cork right here. Alright, so these are ready to go. They will go downstairs and be sitting, these will be in my family room area. They'll be sitting together. Like I said, this will be filled with candy corns, and this will be just sitting beside it just to add a little splash of the fall green color. And I really love this color. I think it brings to light a lot of the fall colors. It's a little more olive. It's not quite so green, and I think it's just perfect. And here is the finished jar and bottle. I think they came out just so cute. The jar has, well, just a few pieces of candy left in it. Stepkids were over this weekend and they annihilated the candy in the jar. And here is the bottle. Again, it was quick and simple for both of these items, and they just add that perfect little touch into the corner, and I absolutely love these. I love lighted projects. I love sitting in the evening when the lights are dim and just seeing the decorations. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you tomorrow for another fall video. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video, please be sure to hit that like button as well as share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and when the notification bell pops up, be sure you hit that as well so you never miss a video. And, as always, have a great day and stay crafty.